This will help to whitening up your skin and treat your skin. I named this 5D half cast lotion. Okay guys, if you can remember, I asked you guys on one particular video where I made a review about glutathione concentrate that you can use to make your half cast lotion, and I dropped some recipe you can use as well to make that half cast lotion. And on that video, because I didn't go into details because it's one video and I don't want it to be too long so that you guys can watch it to the end. And on that video guys, I asked you guys if you are really interested about this half cast lotion, like should I call it 5D half cast lotion, because this lotion is wow fire. And I see a lot of comments on that comment section that yeah, I want it, Precious, make a video about that. And yeah, I am here to fulfill the promise. I am here to make a strong half cast lotion, guys. You know, if you're making a sure product, like if you're making a sure recipe, like this joy in you, right? So this recipe guys, if you don't have a half cast recipe, just get a chair, sit down, get your book and pen and jot all this down. Like just follow the recipe. I'm giving you a sure recipe, like sure recipe. Okay, so if you don't have a half cast lotion that works for you, half cast you know, recipe that works for you, this one is boom, this one is fire. So if you watch this video, you're a very lucky person. Like just sit down and watch this video to the end, okay? But before that, let me first introduce myself to my new viewers. Yes, my name is Fresh Beauty World, and on this channel we make a product review, we mix lotion, oil, we sell, we train, we deliver worldwide. Okay, so if you are just stopping by, go ahead and subscribe. It's very important to join this glowing family. This is early morning, this is Sunday morning, very early. I just wake up. This is okay, this is 8:20, yeah. And look at how I'm glowing. I've not taken my breath. I just wake up. If you see I'm tying my hair with hair tie, that is because my hair is so tattered. So look at how I'm glowing. So join the glowing family. Anything you see here, try it. Like everything you see here, try it, guys. I got a lot of trainees, like people I train from this channel, because they will first, you know, try some of my recipe I drop here, and once it works for them, they will come to me for training and they never regret it, right? So this recipe is genuine. There is nothing like fake recipe. Any product you didn't see me making here, that means I don't want to make it. I don't want to show you guys. Instead of me removing the active ingredients, giving you the fake recipe, is better for me not to make it, because nobody forced me to start this channel, right? So just subscribe, turn on your post notification, guys. We upload video every day. So on this channel now, you get every new tip, how to treat your skin, whitening, glowing, and all that, right? So just turn on your post notification. And if you have subscribed since and you haven't turned on your post notification, it's very important. Just turn on your post notification so that each time I drop video, YouTube will let you know, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. I don't want this video to be too long, okay? So today's video guys, yeah, I'm holding my biro, my pen, my book is here. So today's video guys, like I said earlier, we are making strong, like extremely strong 5D half cast lotion. Guys, this lotion is giving me joy. They didn't even totally. So I'll first start from the base. This recipe, you can use organic base, like the base you formulate by yourself from scratch. That is just the best. Like you can use that base, or you use all these half cast base like Easy Glow and all that, but the perfect one is your base formulated from scratch. So if you don't know how to formulate your base, good and fine, we sell, okay? You can purchase from us, or better still, is far better, you know how to do this, than you keep on buying and buying. Okay, you can train with us. We train people on how to make your base, half cast, Snow White for face cream, how to hot chocolate, everything. Okay, so you can learn But if you don't want to learn and you don't want to get organic base, good and fine, you can get any other base like Easy Glow and other lotions. Okay, it's just that sometimes you just, you know, get it at your own risk, because in that lotion maybe you know, it contains enough whitening ingredient, and you go ahead pouring it inside a container, pouring another whitening ingredient. That is when you start experiencing something like stretch mark, green vein, white patches. But when you're using a organic base you formulated from scratch, there's nothing like stretch mark and all that, because you made it from scratch, right? So let me just go ahead, like I just give it two options now. You can use organic base, which is far better. You can use any other lotions like Easy Glow. I'm just giving you an example. So but this one here is organic base. But if you don't have organic base, I repeat myself again, get Easy Glow lotion. Okay, so you can use 2 Easy Glow lotion for this recipe, but if it's based like organic base, you use 1 kg. Okay, so the number one ingredient, like whitening ingredient, we're going to add for this is glutathione comprime super felt. Guys, that concentrate is super good when it comes to whitening up your skin in a healthy way. Like when it comes to whitening up your skin in a healthy way. And that concentrate, guys, is not a concentrate that you can use to formulate 5 days or 7 days whitening lotion. It's not going to give you that result that fast. It's gradually. Like that concentrate, guys, is specially formulated like for, you know, people that want to be patient to achieve that glowing flawless skin. Okay, so you just get 1 glutathione comprime super food, get 1. Okay, then you get your Gluta-C serum. Guys, I talked about this Gluta-C concentrate. Guys, this Gluta-C concentrate, I told you guys earlier that it's not really that strong. You can use that to make your face cream. Okay, so you just need 1 for this production. And the next one you need is Citroclear serum. Guys, Citroclear serum is very good. I love that serum because it helps to treat dark spots like mad. Like it helps to treat dark spots like mad. Why? Because it contains lemon, and lemon is a very good you know, agent when it comes to treating your skin and, you know, whitening up your skin. So Citroclear is very good, so you need 1. And the next one is Natural Secret oil. Guys, Natural Secret oil is a whitening oil, and for the purpose of adding it on this recipe, on this lotion, is because it will help to whitening up your skin. At least when your customer is using your lotion, it's not only just whitening, but it will glow. It will be glowing the customer's skin. Not every time whitening. Some people don't add oils to their lotion, which is very bad. You need to add oil to your lotion. You know, when your customer applies to the his or her body, you know, it will just be as if she apply oil and lotion together. You know, it will give her that glowing and smooth you know, skin. Do you get my point? So you need Natural Secret 1. Then the next one you need, this section now is for treatment. You guys know I love treatment agent. Like I love anything that has to do with treatment. I cannot make a production without treatment ingredient inside. It's not possible. If you are following on this channel, you just need to follow that pattern. Like it's a good decision. Okay, so the next oil you'll be needing is your recovering oil. Guys, recovering oil is very good when it comes to treating stretch mark, scars, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, any skin reaction. Okay, recovering oil is very good, and it helps to glow the skin. So you add 1 recovering oil. So the next one you need is your crude canicle. Guys, crude canicle is very good for stretch mark or green vein, like anti-reaction oil. Okay, so you're going to add 30 ml of crude canicle. So the next one you need is Shalom stretch mark oil. You guys know I love Shalom stretch mark oil so much, so you need just 1 Shalom stretch mark oil. With the name you shall know them, like by their fruits you shall know them. So Shalom stretch mark oil. So probably is for stretch mark. It helps to treat stretch mark. So when you get all these ingredients, you first add your base. When you add your base, then you add the serums. You first add like the whitening serums, then you add the treatments, oils and serums, and mix this together. Okay, then after mixing this together, make sure your mixing bowl is very, very clean. It matters. Okay, so the next one you need, this one now is the last section. Okay, so the next one you need is your Jama Plus preservative. Guys, I love Jama Plus preservative. You can use any other preservative that you think that works more perfect for you or you love. Okay, add 15 ml of it. Okay, so the next one you need is your propylene glycol. Guys, propylene glycol helps to make the product penetrate right to your skin. If you're making oil, body soap, lotion, try to add propylene glycol. It makes it helps to make the product penetrate right to your skin. Last one is your fragrance. Guys, you can use any fragrance of your choice. Okay, you can use any fragrance of your choice, but there is a fragrance for lotion and there is a fragrance for soap. So if you don't know about it, ask question before getting it, right? So you add 15 ml of the fragrance and 15 ml of the propylene glycol. This is how the Jama Plus looks like. This is it. So I love using Jama Plus. So this is 1 liter. So this is how it looks like, and this is how propylene glycol looks like. This is propylene glycol. Okay, so after adding all this, you mix this with your hand mixer and package for salt. Guys, this is how you're going to use this to achieve that best result. If you're using this, make sure you use this only at night, and make sure you exfoliate your skin 2 times in a week, and try as much as possible to be using glowing oil or moisturizer in the morning, then this at night. Guys, within 2 weeks you start seeing the result. Like, this is very, very good, but not within 2 weeks you start like you're white like Oyibo. Not for this recipe. Okay, so this one is for people that want, like, people that love their skin, people that value their skin, not people that want to attend to party, therefore they need a product that whitening them in 5 days. Like I said earlier, this channel is not for you. Okay, so you go ahead and mix all this and package for sale or for use. This will help to whitening up your skin and treat your skin. I named this 5D half cast lotion. So guys, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. And don't forget to smash the like button of this video and share with your friends and family. Bye, love you.